Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete roles on a Discord server. Maybe you want to streamline your server's role structure or remove outdated roles. So today I'm going to show you how to delete roles on a Discord server. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, select the server where you want to delete rows. For example, I will choose this server. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the panel. A menu will pop up below, and here, tap on this gear icon to open the server settings. In this settings page, scroll up and under user management section, tap on roles. In this page, you will see all the roles that you have created. Now, locate the role that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this role. Simply tap on it. In this window, you will now see below this delete role option. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are really sure that you want to delete the role. Tap on remove to confirm. After that, you now have successfully deleted the role from your Discord server. The role will be removed from all users who had it assigned. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete roles on a Discord server, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete roles on a Discord server, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.